Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is another episode of my Tuesday 60-second DIY. What is it going to be today? Well, my supplies are going to come from Dollar Tree and Walmart, and I'm going to use some candles and some burlap. What could it be? Well, gather up some cozy tea and some cozy hot chocolate, and let's sit down for another episode of 60-second DIY with Soozie Stuff. That's me. All right, let's check out some of the supplies I'm going to use. Of course, these are some Dollar Tree candles. We all love them, use them. They even have them in red. And last year, I made 3 grouped together, tied them, and then put this beautiful poinsettia piece on there. So look at all these supplies that you can use to create these candles with. They're just endless supplies. And this is what I came up with. So I need a clock. You ready, set, go. I'm first going to start out with this beautiful red burlap I picked up at Walmart, and it was about $2.98. And then check out my little roller cutter that I got at the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree. It really works. I just needed to push a little bit harder. I was like, hurry, only got a minute. And so I just wrapped that a couple of times around so that you can really see the deep red. So next I'm using the little 3D scene from Dollar Tree that it's new this year. You can kind of put it together, but they had a really pretty tree that I liked. And so I just used that roller cutter to kind of cut out the piece that I wanted. Worked great. That thing is sharp. Another way I decorated it is with these letter blocks from Walmart, and we're going to spell out ho, ho, ho. And then in just a second, you'll see what it turned out to be. And then this candle, I used the natural burlap from Dollar Tree, and then these darling little reindeer ornaments from Walmart with a little bit of twine. Look at that! I made it! And here is how they all turned out. I actually made a third one using the little wooden stickers, the 2 Christmas trees, and all 3 of them have the twine. I love how it pulls it all together. You guys, I know that you have seen so many different ways to decorate these candles, but I hope I've inspired you to create even more. And I think the best part of all is these make the best gifts. Every time I give them to somebody, they're just like, wow, that is so cute. And you can use them in your own home, in the kitchen, in any little spot that you like. I just love this reindeer here. He is, I think, my favorite because he's just so cute. And you could even take off the white pom-pom and put a red one. So I hope that you enjoyed all my ideas for decorating these candles, and gather up all your supplies to see what you come up with. Aren't they just beautiful? And I hope that you enjoyed all of my ideas today. And I just want to thank all my subscribers, the comments, and the likes. And don't forget to join me on Tuesdays for my 60-second DIY and Saturday for my full DIY episode. So thanks for joining me on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.